let's discuss one of my favorite exercises, which is called the press up exercise. This exercise is simply to strengthen the low back and to strengthen the core. This is the perfect exercise for people who have a history of low back pain. Now, I prefer in my office to tell patients to only do this exercise if they are not symptomatic. This is a wonderful exercise for prevention of low back pain and to help to strengthen the disc. Simply what we're going to do is we're gonna lie flat on our stomach. You're gonna keep your low back and your buttocks relaxed. Hands are gonna go directly under your shoulders. Head is going to be relaxed in a neutral position. And what we are going to do is we are going to slowly lift up into extension, only using our arms to lift us up until we get to a locked out position. At a locked out position, you are simply going to take a deep breath in and lower yourself down as you slowly exhale to the bottom. Now, I like to tell my patients, again in my office, that we lift very slowly. We hold in this upright position for the count of 3, and then we're slowly going to allow ourselves to come down. We repeat this exercise 5 times. Now, for those of you that have stiffness in the low back or tightness in the hips, you are gonna find that this position is very hard, very difficult to do, and can be uncomfortable. So what you will do is you will then lift your pelvis up with you to do this exercise. And then when you get to the top, you'll slowly relax those hips to try to meet the ground. Keep in mind, this can be a difficult exercise to do and can take a while to accomplish. So don't get discouraged. This should be done twice a day. Hold for the count of 3 at the very top. Let those hips relax into the floor and then slowly lower yourself down. Remember, with any stretching exercises, if the pain worsens or exacerbates, please stop the exercise immediately. Always consult your physician, chiropractor, or physical therapist first prior to starting any stretching protocol.